Hello wonderful people. In today's video I'm going to be teaching you and taking you through the whole process on how I make my lovely chocolate cake. So these are the ingredients I'll be using. Although in this particular recipe initially I mistakenly combined sugar together with my cocoa powder, and here is like the prepping of all the ingredients I'll be using: baking powder, baking soda, the mixing bowls, and all of that. So guys, without wasting too much of our time, let's get straight into this whole recipe thing. These are all the things I'll be using. So we are going to start from baking in 3 eggs. Initially, I showed you guys 2 eggs, but I decided to multiply the recipe and like 2.5. So in this particular recipe, I'll be using 3 eggs. So all you need to do is you whisk together all of those eggs and then add in your sugar and cocoa powder. Now, although I did a mistake, but trust me, the result of this particular recipe experiment was phenomenal and adorable. Like, I loved it despite the mistake. So all you did after that was just I added in my oil and also the milk. How I made this milk, I've already like you can easily see how I made this milk is very simple. I measured out half cup of powdered milk and 1 cup of water. Then I mixed it, and you have this lovely silky smooth mixture. After that, you introduce your dry ingredient. I added in my flour and my salt to the flour. You also add in your baking powder and your baking soda. It's that simple. Then you introduce your fork and you mix it together. If you're enjoying this video, please kindly like this video and also drop a comment below. I am Flavour the Cake Boy. I release lovely recipe videos every single week. So if that sounds interesting to you, please join me on this particular journey. So after that, I added in to my wet ingredients. Now I added in the flavor. Yeah, afterwards I have already sieved. I sieved my my dry ingredients, and I'll be alternating between the dry ingredients and the lukewarm water. Now, a lukewarm water is just a particular water that is placed on a very light heat, and it is just brought to a little bit warm. You know that warm water now. That is just what lukewarm water is all about. So then you just alternate. You divide the dry ingredients in 2 portions, and then the water also in 2 portions. You get. So that is just how you alternate between the two, guys. So thank you. This particular recipe is phenomenal. I'll drop the link to the recipe and also full information, safety and perfection tips down in the description below. Make sure you watch the video as well. So guys, after I mix and combine all of my dry and wet ingredients, I'm gonna be making, from this particular recipe, I was able to make 3 layers of 6 inches pan and also 6 cupcakes for bed. So I'll be using this particular this cakes to decorate a full cake I wanted to deliver to my clients, and that is why I just said let me just record this video and show you guys how I managed to deliver my cakes to my clients and how adorable it is. I'm not actually a fan of measuring butter because I already know the exact thing I was looking for, and I know where my butter is gonna get to when it finishes baking. So I just I portioned the butter into the cupcake pans, into the cupcake liners, and I set it into my oven. I baked on 140 degrees Celsius for about let me say 40 to 45 minutes until a skewer is inserted in and comes out clean. You get, that is just the vibe. So guys, as I said again, the link will be dropped below on how you can easily go with your recipe. This particular recipe is very phenomenal. However, I was unable to record a clip when I finished baking. It was already in the night. So that was why this is just one of the videos I made. I used that recipe for this cake. So guys, watch out for my red velvet video as well. I'll be dropping the link down to that below again. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this made you well. Forever your recipe bestie, like and follow for more. I love you.